Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen with Fallon. She's excited this morning, y'all. We're gonna be making some homemade pancakes. We're gonna do them a new way though. Listen to that bacon in the background, folks. That's the way you start off a Saturday morning. Coffee and bacon. We got the dry ingredients. We got our big bowl. Fallon has told y'all that we don't really like homemade pancakes.
As much as Hungry Jack.
As much as Hungry Jack. But we've never made them just this way. I got the big bowl. And you're gonna want 3 cups of AP flour. I'm gonna put my chaps on. All right, you're gonna want 3 cups of AP flour, folks. All purpose, all purpose. This thing's gonna get real right here, so I want you to hang on tight.
I moved some stuff around so he doesn't know where anything is.
I don't know where nothing is.
That's your...
That is a...
Here's a cup.
This is a 2 cup.
This bacon is the Smithfield Cherry Wood Smoked. And it's some great bacon. It's pretty great. We're gonna sell it in this.
You're gonna need 1/4 of a cup of sugar right here, going in. I really like these little things right here. I think we bought them up there at the, where did we buy these
I
at?
got them from Aldi.
We got these from Aldi, folks. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Is this a teaspoon and a half right here?
It's just a teaspoon.
Okay.
The little measurements are all worn off on them, y'all.
This one's all worn off, folks. So we're going in with another half on this deal right here. Okay, now we're going in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let me find a tablespoon here.
Somehow we misplaced all of our tablespoons.
What am I gonna use?
I'm filling up the baking powder container here. In a tablespoon, there's around 3 teaspoons. So just use 3 teaspoons.
Let me find my baking soda. She's got it labeled. Baking soda, here we go. We're going in with 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, now we're gonna mix up our dry ingredients here. Woo, that's some good coffee. Okay, now let's get our wet ingredients, and after that we're gonna be needing like 2.25 cups of milk. Going in. All right, about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
I love the sound of cooking. Like, do y'all ever go to a restaurant early in the morning?
You like the sound of cooking?
And you hear everybody back in the kitchen, pots, pans, water, laughing.
Now we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, now we need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Yes, I know that sounds like what in the world? Just 1/4 cup. What this is doing is kind of making this slightly like buttermilk. 3 eggs. If eggs ever turn into money, I'm gonna be a rich man. Fallon's already got these washed here. We're gonna get us 3 of these bad boys. And I'm going to whisk these eggs up really, really good. I don't do the fancy break, but I get it done. We're gonna really get in here and put some air in these eggs. Get them fluffy. Really want to get hold of these eggs. Put a lot of air in them.
You notice that we're worried that we ain't gonna have no air.
Want some fluffy pancakes? You got to work for it, folks.
Putting all the air in the eggs, we're losing oxygen over here. I'm afraid you're gonna beat them cooked. Working up some heat there.
Now, I got a lot of air in them eggs. That's what you're after, fluffy. I've got that. We're gonna stir this up. This is where we're gonna start mixing all this together now. We've already mixed all this really, really good. We're gonna leave a lot of air in this batter. Just kind of fold it in there and keep plenty of air. I know that sounds weird. I hear a lot of weird stuff over here. The clumps are fine, absolutely fine. That's what we're after right there. See, they're still real clumpy, but there's no white flour in there. I'm gonna turn this on like a medium. Got your butter melting. What I enjoy is a pancake that's got a little bit of a crispy edge. See how clumpy that is? There's a lot of air. That's what you want. Set it right over here. Getting a little bit of a bubble. I wasn't on the eye even, folks. So that's the reason this one right here is a little bit behind. Fallon just took away the bacon. Nope, we're not there yet. You don't want to turn them too soon. You gotta wait on it. These are shapes of footballs. I didn't really plan for it to be that way. It just happened like that. And don't mash on it. That's a habit everybody develops. Flip and mash, you don't want to do that. It's kind of like a hamburger patty. Now I'll say if you come to the restaurant and I give you something shaped like this, you may be like, what in the world are we doing here, Martha? Folks, we'll keep it real here.
Scream it off. That's called the...
Let's pretend that's butter.
Flip and scream. Well, what you do is you flip it one more time just to cook that little bit that got on top,
yeah.
and then boom,
Yeah,
you're done.
boom, boom, boom.
Extra layer.
But you don't mash them. I mean, this one almost takes on the shape of a sailboat or something.
I think years ago when you made pancakes, you also did them that shape. That's your trademark shape.
Yeah, this one's almost the shape of like a little sailboat here. Oh yeah, we'll put some butter on that bad boy right there.
It's happening today, y'all. Decorating for spring.
Fallon's going to decorate for spring today, everybody. Now, folks, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this on a little plate that's got some decoration on it, since them pancakes is ugly as sin. They may be ugly, but folks, they're going to taste just right.
Does anybody want scrambled eggs? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
So let's see what we got here now. We're going to go ahead and get us a bite of this.
Oh, you heard that crispy?
Oh, that's what I was after. That's what I was after, folks. Here we go. That's good. Them for making up there, Mom.
Alright, y'all, it's a little while later. I got out all the spring stuff, and I'm pretty sure I put up all of the winter stuff. So here's what we've got. A lot of this is from previous spring year's decorations. I went down to the shed and there was a little bit of spring stuff down there. Cece told me she saw stuff in one of the clear containers that was spring, and it was my little chicks and this home sign, which I use this for spring and summer. It has like a lemon wreath as the O. Those were down there, and that little flower thing here that has some speckled eggs in it. So I'm pretty sure now that this is all the spring stuff. I do want to check up on way up high on top of my closet. I might have a couple more things up there. The first thing I'm going to do is put this 3-tier serving tray together. I got this from the Dollar Tree this year. It was in their Dollar Tree Plus section. It was $5. We're going to put this together. I'm trying to decide if I want to put it in the middle of the table or if I want to put it over here on the counter. We'll see how big it is and what it looks like when we get it put together. I've been really loving carrots for spring the past couple of years. Let's see, huh?
I can help you put that together.
You can?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here, I'll bring it over here so you can help me. Let's see what we need to do here. How many plates do we have?
Yeah. Oh,
It says we should have 3. Do we have 3?
This one is like my size.
Yeah. 1, 2,
3.
3. We have 3, that's right. Okay, you hold that one there. The screw goes first, then the large metal washer, and then a plastic washer, and then the bottom plate. We need this big one here.
Okay.
And it goes right on here. And now we put one of these.
Okay.
Is it working? I think you need to go to the right. Twist to the right. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
That what George said.
Is that what George says? Curious George.
Okay, it's almost down.
Okay. Now we need the small metal washer. That's this one.
Can I try?
Yep, put it right on there. And a plastic one. Then we do the next size plate. Which one is the next biggest?
This one.
Very good. Now we put it on here.
I want to do it. No. This is
Twist it around a little. There you go. Very good. Look at that. Now you can tell everybody you put that together, didn't you? Very good.
With your help.
Yep. But I didn't do much.
Yes, you only did one.
Yeah. Oh, the pancakes, by the way, y'all. They were good. Titus loved them better than Hungry Jack. I think it's just because he made them. I'm just kidding. They were really good. I did really like those crispy edges on them. The kids, however, they still say they like the Hungry Jack mix better. So, I think it just depends on how you like your pancakes. Just put it right here.
I did this all by myself. Mom didn't do much.
No. All right, so here's what I did for now. And I forgot to say, we are gonna paint the table white still. I'm probably gonna wait until spring break. Spring break is the week right after Easter weekend, so I'm probably gonna wait until then to paint the table and the chairs. But yeah, we're gonna paint these white still. It's not gonna be white, it's gonna be about the same color as the thing right here. You know, it's almost the same color as the walls, the sandy clay looking color. Over here, I moved the flour, sugar, and coffee canisters to the counter because I wanted to put this cow thing here. We got this from Big Lots this year. I decided to leave this paddle cutting board over here because since I moved my coffee canister, that's what I used to put my aprons around. I'm actually gonna get a little hook, I think, to put right here to hang the aprons on. You know, you can just get a little thing that'll stick right there with a hook. But until then, I just put the paddle thing here. That way I could put the apron straps around that to hang those up. I moved this over here from the table, and then this was over on the counter. All this stuff was old, like the cutting board and all that. This canister, we got this from Dollar General a few years ago, but they do still have these at some Dollar Generals. They have this size and a bigger one. This we got from Hobby Lobby. These, just in case you're wondering, are from Dollar General. And this one, let's see if I left my, oh yes, Dollar General. This was from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. Over here at the coffee making station, I just put the little blue chick. This is, I got it a long time ago, several years ago from Dollar General, but Dollar Tree actually has some almost just like these now in their Dollar Tree Plus section. So you can probably find those there. I mean, they look almost identical. Up on the mantle, I put the little welcome sign. We got that from Big Lots this year, and the white flowers that are up there. I also have a twinkle light thing mixed in with those flowers, and I still have the twinkle lights on that top shelf right up there, going around there, so at night we'll turn those lights on. But yeah, the welcome sign came from Big Lots. And then I just put my yellow chick there. The Worthy is the Lamb sign came from Hobby Lobby this year. Over here on the TV stand, we have this little thing that I cannot remember where we got that from. I think it was Tractor Supply. There's no sticker on it, but I think it was either Tractor Supply or Hobby Lobby. But I just took this that I got from Walmart several years ago, but they have some similar to these this year. Anyway, I just took this and I put some tape on the back and I put it right there in the middle. It's not wanting to hold too good, so I'm gonna have to do something different. At first I tried to tie the string that's on it on there, but that didn't work either. So I'm gonna put something on there because I think that looks neat to have that on there with the windmill thing in the back. But as you can see, as y'all know, I'm not great at this decorating thing, but anyway, we'll do something there because I want that to be right there. Anyway, I just need some stronger tape or something that's gonna go there, or it might look fine just like that, but I think it would look better in the middle. This is new. We got it from Big Lots this year. The cow driving the pickup truck with the 3 little pigs on the back, and this little pig looks mad. He's ready to go home. And then down here, I just put some yellow flowers in this basket. Over here, we just have a little bunny with the butterfly on its nose and some flowers. Also have a butterfly. Both of those came from Big Lots. And then we have these little piggy measuring cups. They came from TJ Maxx. And this fresh carrot sign came from the Dollar Tree this year. It was just $1.25. This sign I've had for a really long time. Can't remember for sure where I got it from, but it was either Walmart or Dollar General because I've had it for years. And then over here is where I put the flour, sugar, and coffee canisters, and we just have this little bunny sitting over here. This is where I decided to put the little tray, and for now I just put some stuff on here. I put this, we got it from Hobby Lobby. This is just some leftover M&Ms from Cupcake Decorating. I put those in there with just a little carrot, and then this is just a little springy colored spatula. Then I have another one of these big carrots. They came from Walmart. I can't remember if I told y'all over at the table that's where all the big carrots came from. And then I just put the white baking chips right there. And I have a carrot towel hanging on the KitchenAid. All the spring and Easter kitchen towels came from TJ Maxx. And then I just have this, of course the towels will change, but anyway, I just have this one hanging over here on the sink. And that's it. Like I said, I know I'm not great at decorating things. Like I don't know where to put stuff and what looks good where, but that doesn't matter. Just, you know, put it where you like it. There are no rules. There actually may be decorating rules, but I don't know. Happy spring, everybody.